Hello! Welcome back to my channel. My name is Stephanie and thank you so much for being here today. So as the title suggests, we are back at it for another pin unboxing. So I will preface that I did buy these quite a few months ago and it's been sitting in my drawer waiting for me to unbox it because I wanted to have the perfect time for it. I originally thought that me and my sister would unbox these together, but timing just never worked out, and I want to make sure that I get these out for you because box lunch, they're running out. So I am going to be unboxing today the Princess Butterfly collection from Box Lunch or Hot Topic. You can kind of get all of the different princesses. Now you're gonna have to bear with me because I suck at naming things. I think I've got everyone though. We can unbox them for you. So I put on my Flower and Garden ears to kind of figured butterflies gives Flower and Garden to me. So we'll go through that. I have 10 boxes, 3, 6, 9, 10, 10 boxes to unbox, and there are 9 total that I can get. So there's a chance that I can get all of them, but if we get more than one duplicate, I will have to trade for the rest. But I thought these were very, very pretty. I saw some people unbox them and they were pretty. So we can go through these. They retail for $10.90. We can go through. So it's 1 pin per box. And we can kind of just jump right in. So I will obviously want Belle out of all of them, but the Moana one is super pretty and they're all super pretty. So they always come in a little little baggie, so we can jump right in. So our first one, is Ariel. These are a lot bigger of pins than the ones I just unboxed. I love the little like tail aspect. Okay, number 1. Second box. Ta-da-da-da! Snow White. I don't know what it is about Snow White. You want to be in the video? I don't know what it is about Snow White, but I am not a huge fan of the color scheme of her, like red, blue, yellow. Just not my favorite. But it is super pretty, and again, very decent pins. They have the Disney princess crown at the back. And it is an authentic Disney pin, so you can trade these in the parks. I've been seeing a lot more traders, so that is always good. So that's number 2. Number 3. And if the background looks different, it is because I am filming in my office today because my boyfriend is downstairs watching football because it is football Sunday. And Snow White again, our first duplicate. Okay, let's hope this is our only duplicate because that means we still have a chance of getting the full collection today. Fourth pin. Ooh. Who would this be though? Is this Jasmine? This might be Jasmine. Pretty. Okay. Looks more green in the box. It's interesting. Okay. Number 5. Ooh. This is Tangled with her lovely stars, or flower, the sunflower, I guess. Pretty. Okay, we're on a roll. Doo-ba-doo-doo. What is it? Cinderella. Cinderella. Pretty. Again, these are very like decently sized pins. These are pretty. Okay. Doing good. We've got 4 more boxes. Come on. That one was being difficult. They feel like butterflies. Shoop. Another Cinderella. Okay, so we will not be able to get the full collection, but that is okay. Cinderella is pretty. That means we have some traders. I'm going to Disney in 4 days as I'm filming this, so we might have to put these in the collection and bring some traders with me. Okay. And another duplicate. Got another Tangled. Okay, pretty. Come on. Snow White or Belle and or Moana. Got 2 more boxes, so let's hope. Okay, cross your fingers, cross your toes, cross your eyeballs. What do we think? Another Ariel. Okay, these boxes are not being nice to me. Not being nice to me. Okay, so we've gotten duplicates of all the ones we've opened so far, except Jasmine. Let's open the last box. Fingers crossed. We want Belle. We want Belle. Come on, Belle. Feels like a butterfly. Okay. Okay. We got Moana. That's pretty. I like that color scheme. Okay, so it wasn't too terrible. We got 1, 2, 3, 4 duplicates, but we have Ariel, Tangled, Moana, Rapunzel, Cinderella, Snow White, and Jasmine. So we got 3 out of the 9, and we now have some traders. So if you are interested in trading, I need Aurora. Let's see if that'll focus. Aurora. I need Belle. And then I need this girl. It could be Pocahontas. It could be Wish. Oh, come on, focus. You are interested and you are looking for Ariel, Rapunzel, Snow White, or Cinderella, reach out to me on Instagram and I would love to trade with you. So that is it. That concludes. Let me know which one was your favorite. Once again, if you would like to trade, reach out to me on Instagram. And of course, I will shamelessly plug, please like, comment, subscribe. It really does help my channel out. I am trying to grow on this channel and I would like to reach as many of my lovely like-minded individuals as I possibly can. So every share, every like, every comment helps. And if you're not already subscribed, I would love for you to join the fam over here. So thank you so much for watching. Please look out for new pin unboxings and vlogs and all of the fun stuff. So without further ado, I will let you go. So thank you so much for watching. I hope you have a wonderful rest of your day. Thank you for being here. Bye.